In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Shanks Saber in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to get the Saber, which is a legendary sword in Blox Fruits, you will have to defeat the Saber Expert. This is a level 200 boss that was added in Update 1. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find this boss for you to defeat him and get the sword. Now, you will have to go through the Saber puzzle. So this sword can be obtained by defeating the Saber Expert, which can only be accessed after you go through this puzzle. It has 5 major steps. To begin the puzzle, you have to be level 200 or more. Now, for step 1, you need to activate all of the green buttons in the 2 parts of the jungle. So as you can see, I'm showing you screenshots of all of the buttons that you have to activate. Go to the jungle and look for them by yourself, or you can visit the wiki if you would like to zoom in on these pictures. And this is a map with all of the buttons marked, as you can see. Once you activate all of these green buttons, now you will have to go over to the desert. So after activating all of the 5 green tiles, go to the quest giver NPC house in the middle of the island above the lake, walk down the stairs, and you will see a hole on the floor. You will see a poem on the wall with a torch on the side. So grab this torch and, like I mentioned, go over to the desert isle. In the desert island, you will be able to continue this by going over to this specific location. So look for a collapsed house with a red door. Enter through the door and you will see a curtain. Equip the torch that you acquired and stand still next to the curtain. It is going to burn it down and reveal a secret room. Inside, there's going to be a poem and a cup at the side. Grab this cup and go over to the frozen village. In the frozen village, enter this cave where you can find the ability teacher. You will be able to find an ice stalactite with drops of water falling to the ground. Stand underneath those drops with the cup in your hand and you will be able to fill it. Once the cup is filled, exit the cave, go to the top side of the village, and enter the house near the sword dealer of the east. You will be able to find the sick man inside. Talk to him, choose help, and then the dialogue will say, "Thank you so much. Please meet up with my son. I'm sure he will reward you." So now go over to the pirate village after he thanks you. In the pirate village, you will be able to do step 4 by finding the rich man. Talk to the rich man and he is going to give you a prize for saving his sick father. Be tasked with killing the mob leader. The mob leader can be found in Jean Look Island, which is a secret island approximately southwest of the pirate island. So in the direction of the magma village, if you can see the marine fortress, you will be able to see this village. Once you defeat this mob leader, talk to the rich man, and now you will be given an ancient relic. Take this ancient relic to the jungle and prepare for the final battle. In the stone building where the Blox Fruit gacha is located, besides the stair, you will see a relic-shaped hole in the wall. Equip the ancient relic that the rich man gave you and plug it in. A door will open and you will be able to find the Saber Expert inside. You will have to defeat him and now you will get the Saber. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Shanks Saber in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.